Page 174, March. This page and the next you get some reading examples so you can practice reading. Reading is extremely important. The more you do it, the better you'll get. If the music is getting a bit challenging, then just do it one hand at a time. You don't have to do it at the speed they're saying, although if you can, it's better. If you get, the more you can do when you're reading, the better off you get. If you want to add the dynamics and the phrasing and all that other stuff too, all at one shot, you want to sight read it and perform it, that's great. Takes practice. If you don't get that far, that's fine at whatever level you're at. Do what you can do. Over time, it will get better. However, for me, I'm just going to go through the process. Now, again, when I'm sight reading or whatever, I will do the steps in the process pretty much all at the same time. But I'm going to talk about them in the lesson as one at a time. So I look it over, it's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, we're in the key of G major. I do the G major scale and the E minor scale, and there are arpeggios, 2 octaves, blah, blah, blah. Okay, common timer, 4/4 time. The right hand, I'm starting here. And it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. C sharps, and here, reach down to the octave. Don't collapse, stay there, because I'm only going down for 1 note. Rest, and then come back up. And then the left hand, it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now the last 2 measures, look out. It's here. You want 4th finger? You could use 5th finger. But the point is, we need 5th finger coming up again down here. So having 4th on that is just making, I'm sort of in position already. I'm in this position more or less by using 4th finger. Otherwise, I gotta reach that. Just 4th finger's fine. Then I put the hands together here, and then here, and then here. Make sure you play the rest in the right hand. You're quiet. So I go through and I put the hands together. Then I go back over it slowly and carefully and get rid of the hesitations. Hopefully you might even get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard, where you can reach down an octave here and you just know it's there. Or the left hand, you can reach down here. You just know how much it is, what it feels like. Eventually, it'd be nice to be able to do that. You're sort of in that position, from here to here. As far as articulation goes, you have phrasing and there's a rest at the end of each phrase, so you have to lift up. Otherwise, I would connect it. Now the left hand, I'm going to connect it all the way through. So at the end of the first line, measure 4. I'm going to connect that to measure 5, even though I lift it up in the right hand. I'm not going to go. No, just connect the left hand. Dynamics starts out piano or soft, that's the melody. The left hand's very soft. Then you have that swell coming out. Well, up and back down. It doesn't say how much to go up. Feel it. Up, you don't have to go up a lot. It's the 3rd measure. So each note just got a little hair. That's it, and then back down. Keep in mind on these arrows, they don't always put the arrows exactly where they go. You got to let the music tell you where they go. And here it's the half note, that's the part. Here, that's the important part. And then the second line, you're moderately loud here. And then you get softer at the end. Okay. Speed, well, it's called march. It's allegro moderato is sort of like an allegretto. It's, think of a march, right? Just a march speed. My march for now, give me a cup of coffee or a glass of wine, and that would certainly change. But you feel it. Natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. nasal accents on these. Let's play it together very slowly and check your notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.